Beautiful day in Columbus. I'm at Bricks and Minifigs. We're gonna see what we can find, see if there's anything cool, and I'll show you guys later what I pick up. And while I did decide to save a lot of my spending money for a later purchase you'll see in this video, I was able to pick up the Lego Movie CMF Abe Lincoln, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. And definitely go check out that Bricks and Minifigs if you're in the area. It's very cool. The staff was really cool to talk to, and they were really nice about letting me film in there. So definitely a 10 out of 10 experience. Back from Bricks and Minifigs, now it's time for what we all came to see, some nature walking, obviously. On the way home from this little adventure I went on today, I decided to hit up 2 Targets that were on the way because the closest one to my house is about an hour and a half. So to be here was really cool. They had a lot of 30% off deals, which isn't great in hindsight, but compared to Walmart, a lot of different sets were on sale, and there was definitely some good deals at both of these. I only ended up picking up one set, which I will show you here in a second. It was not on clearance, but it is one that I haven't seen very often and one that has caught my eye for a very long time. And definitely at these Targets, I would keep an eye on that clearance, especially if it drops down even more. There were a couple sets I was interested in, and some weren't available anymore, which is unfortunate, especially this one I'm about to show you here. The London telephone box was about half off, and that was an incredible deal, so definitely disappointed that I missed out on that one, but I did end up picking up a really, really cool set, which I'm about to show you now that I'm home. As you see in front of me, I ended up picking up the LEGO Ideas Viking Village with 2,103 pieces for $130. You can't go wrong. It's a beautiful set, has amazing textures on it. I always thought Vikings and the history behind that was always really cool. And I'm just excited to build this set. I haven't gotten a larger set in a while, so I'll definitely have to find a good display piece for this. But let me know if you have this set and what you think about it, and just your thoughts in general. I think this was a great pickup. Well, that about puts a cap on my LEGO adventure for this weekend. Definitely let me know what you guys think about bricks and minifigs and some of the Target deals going on, and if you like the set I decided to pick up. I'm going to get this thing edited so you guys can watch it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.